Hello, welcome to FountainFX on Tuesday the 26th of August 2014 from Coolsburg on the N1, and I'm glad to say that I'll be back in Cape Town tomorrow, but for now we're looking at the US dollar yen, and the key thing today was that taking a look at currency pairs in terms of strength and weakness. At the moment the yen is a very weak currency, tends to be being devalued against every other pair out there, or every other of the major 7 or 8 pairs that there are, 8 pairs. So it's the weakest one, and the US dollar at the moment is the strongest one. So by looking at the strongest versus the weakest, we then came and we looked at the US dollar yen today, I did. And the key thing to note was at 2:30 today there was some news that came out on the US dollar. It wasn't particularly positive, so we saw some negative reaction on the US dollar, and if you see here with this big spike, this big red candle here, it caused the price to pull back. Now all that happened was it pulled back to previously this morning with the open or lunchtime session. We've got price started to push up and create new highs from the previous highs if we look to the left. So what actually happened was the news came out and it caused price to fall. Now I took a nice short on that, and it pulled back down into the previous area of support. Now my expectation, or what I was looking for, was for it to continue down and it to hold somewhere around here, ready for the news that came out at 4 o'clock. Now the news that came out at 4 o'clock was positive for the US dollar, and it came out at this point here, this particular candlestick here, after which what did we see? We just saw price push up. The stronger currency had positive news, the weaker currency no real news at all, but the strength of the US dollar overcame that of the yen, and we then saw price move very nicely up, break of the trend line here, and we're out. And that basically from here, which was the 103.90, all the way up to the break, if we look here, just is the 104.08. So we're looking at 18 points there, but we could have gone into a bit of a tighter range in terms of looking for more preciseness. But very much it was a very straightforward 18-point trade, and that's something that you guys can copy and follow very, very easily. Look for the stronger currency, the currency that's performing the strongest at the moment, and then look for the weakest currency, match the two together, and trade in the direction of strength or weakness, depending on which way you look at it. If it happened to be that the US dollar was weak and the yen was strong, then obviously we would be selling this particular pair, not buying it. So that's really it from FountainFX. We will catch you tomorrow. Have a great day and happy trading. Bye-bye.